Good morning, everybody. I'm editing this video, and I videoed it with my GoPro. If you want to see the full effect with Johnny Arnett and I, go over to Mama Taz's channel. It's Mama Taz. Go check it out. It's the Packy One Chip Challenge. Oh yeah, it's a dandy. But anyway, I'm just editing this video, so I wanted to put this in there of what this video is. Don't try this at home. Don't try it anywhere. I don't recommend it. It was fun, but it's not fun. You know what I mean? Anyway, that's what this video is. It's all over the place. It's kind of goofy, kind of weird. I tried to get some footage from the actual deal and didn't work out. So this is what we got. I hope you enjoy it. I love y'all. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thanks everybody for watching. Like I said, go check it out if you want to see the full deal with Johnny Arnett and I both. It was a double live stream on StreamYard on Mama Taz YouTube channel. Go check it out. Love y'all. Enjoy the video. Thanks, Johnny. Thanks, Jay Ferris and Jeff Ward for the challenge. Appreciate it. Chip challenge. The chip's in. How far are we in?
We have a minute and 20 seconds.
Oh, it's hot. Hey, what do you say? What do you say we grab this jersey? What do you say we grab this nice jersey and go split some wood, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo. Oh, man. Focus. Focus.
You guys are at 5 minutes.
We're killing it, Johnny. We're killing it. Oh, I haven't even spit yet. Oh, look at that blue spit.
Here, I'm cold.
Oh.
Get back in here.
Whew. Eat a chip. It'll warm you right up. Oh. Oh, yeah. Yeah, don't do this. Don't do the chip challenge.
You guys are at 6.5 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
6.5 minutes, Joe.
Oh, yeah. We're going for 10. Oh. 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 Ooh. Oh, okay, what's it say? Ooh. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute, powerless. 10 minutes, powerful, Johnny. How powerful are you, brother? How powerful are you? Is everybody laughing their butts off right now or what?
Oh, yeah. 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
Oh. Oh. It's like stuck right there. Oh. 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 Oh.
Jay, hell no, I'm proud of you too.
Oh yeah, brother. Hey Jay, I need to talk to you. I need to buy a 24-inch bar from you, buddy. Oh, it's hard to breathe.
8 minutes.
Hard to breathe.
8 minutes, Tony.
How you doing, Johnny?
I'm with you, buddy.
How you doing, buddy? Okay. This phone is not working out good. Focus. Focus.
10 minutes.
Woo! 10 minutes, buddy. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Johnny, are you like okay?
Oh. Oh yeah. 44 freaking people. This is right up there with Southern. Oh, where's my deal? Oh.
11 minutes.
Where'd my thing go?
What thing?
There it is. Okay.
Right,
Do we qualify?
right, lumberjack?
Do we qualify?
Oh yeah, baby. Crushed it.
11 and a half minutes.
Yeah, Johnny, that'll give you more power.
Jay said you guys crushed it.
Did you guys notice? Did you guys notice I had all my safety gear on before I ate the chip? Oh.
12 minutes.
It's over now. It's over now.
I don't think I can go. I don't think I can go 30 minutes without a drink of water or something.
Crushed
Ew.
it.
Yeah.
Rocked it, buddy.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, me and Johnny Arnett chip challenge. Yeah, I know the video's all over the place, but when you eat something that hot, holy mackerel.
This is water makes it. 13 minutes.
Where is it at out on you now, Johnny? Where is it? Where's the worst part? Where's the worst part? Hey, Norvik. Screwdriver tuning. I love it. Soda burns, but held best. Johnny, where's it at on you right now?
It's about a 3. It's starting to come down now.
Is it in your stomach?
Oh yeah, throat, ears, sinuses.
Double bit. Oh yeah, buddy. Smitty, get the milk ready.
14 minutes.
You want to know what I figured I'd be doing at 3 minutes? Let me show you.
I don't know if I'm gonna eat or drink anything. Might just go on and eat something.
I figured I'd be doing this. Some Tums. Some donuts. Some whipped cream. Some Pepto. And some milk. That's what I figured I'd be doing at 3 minutes. My stomach is it's in my stomach now. You feel it for sure.
Empty.
Oh yeah. Where are we at?
Almost 16 minutes.
I'm out at 20.
How long we been going?
16 minutes.
You done good, Mr. Fuller.
Jay said that's the worst part, Kenny, the cramps.
What's that, Johnny?
You got my respect.
Well, that's good because you're the reason I did it. We got challenged by Jeff and Jay, but you're the one that struck the chord that made it happen.
Buddy, I couldn't have picked a better person.
Justin Weaver says, don't drop at 20, Taz. You made it this far. You got 30 in you, brother.
You are the man.
Wash it down with the Reaper drink, Mountain Man says. Oh, Mountain Man's throwing a little bit out there. He's acting like maybe he wants a little of this challenge. Oh, I love you, Mountain Man. You know what? I could probably do it. I'm not kidding.
Oh, yeah. We could make this an annual Christmas.
Well, you're going to have to put it under somebody else's Christmas tree because it ain't going to be in my house. Oh, this has to save.
It might not.
This has to save.
You rushed. I was rushed. It might not save.
We crushed that challenge.
No, the soda pop one will be with Jay and Jeff.
Yeah, it's in my guts.
It's in your...
I got to drink something.
No, you gotta...
Everybody subscribe. They're good people. They're honest people. And they're people of their word. Hit that subscribe button.
You got... You can't drink nothing. You got at least one more minute. One more minute. 19 minutes, Johnny. Yeah,
19.
19.
Awesome.
You're not gonna throw up, are you?
Rock. I had my doubts.
Oh.
19 and a half minutes.
Now I'm going to eat some of these.
Okay, you got 30 seconds left.
20 minutes marks up yet?
Oh, almost 19:42.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
20 minutes.
Do we have any soda? Oh my gosh, wait.
Where's the juice?
Don't stop that timer.
Oh, okay.
Honey bun time.
No, Kenny hasn't drank anything yet. You can't. Wait, Johnny. Stop! Spit it out.
What?
Kenny said wait. Johnny, he's eating his honey bun.
I know.
Oh, okay.
What did I do wrong?
Johnny,
Yeah, buddy.
here's the ginger ale you sent me, buddy. 21 minutes, 12 seconds. Chip challenge. That's how long I made it before I took a drink of anything. 21 minutes. Stop it.
Okay, 21:12.
21 minutes, 12 seconds. 21:12. Ginger ale. I could keep going. If I could keep burping, I could have went forever, man. I could have went forever if I could keep burping. Because every time I burp, that cramp, whatever, went away.
Yep. Yeah, my stomach, it's in my stomach now.
It never did affect my throat, I don't think. If it did, I was stuck in sawdust.
It was in my ears.
It got hot, but not as hot as it didn't get as hot as I thought it was gonna, man.
Yeah.
Right, Hill?
Oh, yeah.
Want some Tums? Here you go.
I'm going to eat me some deer tenderloin. And
Oh, yum.
You done good, Mr. Fuller.
Oh, I'll probably be sleeping out in the shed tonight, Kelsey.
Oh, yes, he will.
I tell you, that first 2 or 3 minutes was intense.
But hey, to all the naysayers who didn't think that I could run a chainsaw, after I ate that chip, there it is.
You got that.
There it is. And split wood.
You're the man. I couldn't see.
I couldn't see. Kevin Jones, Taz, let me know the outcome of tomorrow morning after eating that. All I know is there's no way it can hurt as bad coming out as it does going in. Hey, Kevin Jones, I just wanted to let you know everything came out okay, buddy. We survived. Did you get any stuck in your teeth, Johnny?
Yeah. Every time I get a piece, it burns.
Yeah, right? It just like tries to start over. Oh yeah, this is okay. Future reference, this is the way to go. If you start getting the cramps, start drinking something bubbly, something fizzy. It brings back the hotness on your tongue just a little bit, but not your whole mouth, just on your tongue a little bit, but it totally soothes that with some Tums and some Pepto, you know. It's a Pepto, hey, you know, should we try some whipped cream? Let's try some whipped cream. Huh? Let's put some icing on it. Oh yeah. That's gonna help for sure. It might help it come out this end instead of the other end, right? You never know. Did he try it, right? Life experience right there, Johnny Arnett. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all your support and all your help. This was a fun challenge. It was enjoyable to be able to do it with Johnny Arnett live. Tried to do it on my channel, couldn't get it all together. Another technical difficulty. You know, you all, everybody that's been here for a while knows that technical difficulties happen quite a bit here with me. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching. We love y'all. Take care. Be safe. TazMan is rolling. Oh yeah, and be kind.